Dear students, I am Vijay Pratap Singh, your economics teacher from Alpine Public School, Golawala. Now, dear students, I will teach you today economics of class 11, and our topic is the concept of utility. In the last lecture, I had told about our concept of utility, but I have told you two types of utility. First one, here, total utility. I have told you total utility, and we are donated with the help of capital TU. Total utility. Second one is here, marginal utility with the help of capital MU. We are denoting here. So now time is coming here to know what is the difference between total utility and marginal utility. With the help of one example, we will know, and I will explain you how both are different with each other and how we can able to calculate MU, how we can calculate TU if there is a question in front of here. With the help of this table, we can able to solve. So, dear student, you have to see here, I have written one question in front of you. It is written here, calculate MU. MU means marginal utility. How we can calculate marginal utility from the following table. With the help of this table, we can able to calculate marginal utility. With the help of this example, we can able to solve. So, dear students, you have to see here in front of you, I have made one table, we can say, with the help of tabular explanation. See here, quantity consumed means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written here, this is the quantity consumed, but downside I have written here, total utility. Means first time we had consumed 5 units, second time we had consumed 11 units, means this is the total utility. Third time, otherwise, third quantity consumed 15 total utility. But according to question, if you want to calculate MU from the following, then how we can able to calculate? So, dear students, if there is this type of question is given in front of you, then just you will make a table according to that. So, dear students, I am giving you 1 minute time. You have to make this note, and after that, just I am explaining it. So, you have to write it and make a note now. Okay, you have written down. Now you have to listen. Same thing I have written here with the help of question. I have made one table in front of you with the help of question. The question is given here, quantity I have written here. In question it should be given total utility, then total utility I have written here. But now question is asking calculate MU, then that MU column is blank here. Why I have made it blank? Because you have to listen and you have to identify how we can able to find marginal utility. So dear students, in my last class, in last lecture, I have told you difference between both and how we can calculate. But once again, you have to listen. We can calculate marginal utility with the help of same total utility. Suppose, for example, quantity and total utility is a 5, then just you will write marginal utility 5. 5 is written there. After that, next time when we had gone in the shop and see second one, marginal utility, there is a difference between both 5 and second time 11 should be there. With the help of that, we can say that the marginal utility should be here. Behalf of that, we have to take difference between both. अब हम दोनों के बीच का अंतर देखेंगे, दोनों के बीच में कितना डिफरेंट है. सपोज 11 minus 5, there is a 6k, then marginal utility will be 6, because what is the difference between both? We will write here. So it should be very important part of that. The difference between total utility, we have to write in marginal utility. Once again listen. First we have to write 5 here. After that, difference between both 5 and 11. 11 minus 5, 6 will be here. Once again, 15 you have to subtract from 11. Then what will be there? 4. Now next one, 20 and 15. Then 5. Next one, 20 and 30. With the help of that, we will get 10. Now we can say that with the help of this process, we can able to calculate marginal utility. Same thing we have to calculate with the help of this question and this example. But now you have a lot of questions and example in your book. You can able to solve and identify it. Next topic is that calculate TU. And how we can calculate TU from this following table. That's why I have written once again one more table here in front of you. So in this table we have to calculate total utility. But here in this question, MU we have calculated. So there is a difference between both. So you have to listen very carefully. Once again, come here. Quantity I have written here, and MU is written. If MU will be there in the question, then only we can able to find total utility. Otherwise, we can't able. So that's why this is the difference between both questions. When MU will be there, then we can able to identify TU. If TU is there, then we can able to identify MU. Once again, quantity and MU is written in the question. Write down it. Write it. After that, just I am explaining the one side here and make this table. That's why I have made a blank column here. Total utility. How we are going to calculate? Same process you have to see here. With the help of that, you will solve your question at your home. So listen. First one is the quantity, total utility, and marginal utility. So first time here MU is the 10. Just we will write here 10. After that, second column quantity 2, and here 8 is there. In that column, when we are going to solve marginal utility, we are going to take a different. But now, when we will solve total utility, then we will add it. 10 and 8, it should be 18. It is the total utility of second quantity. Third quantity 18 and 6. 24. According to that, you have to solve. This is the difference between both. How we can calculate MU and TU. This is the importance notice for you. That's why I have written with colorful chalks. You can able to identify. Okay. So once again, come on the fourth one. Here is the 4. After that, what we will do? We have to add in here. Next, 28. After that, fifth one and 2. 28 plus 2 means next one is 30. Dear students, This is the example for you only. I had made this example and I had made that table for you only. You have to identify and solve it. If any doubts would be there, you have to ask me once again in my next lecture. Otherwise, take a comment and write it there. If any suggestions would be there, then also. But there is a two example in front of you. You have to write and listen carefully. Both examples you have to write in your book. This is the question and solution also in front of you. How I have calculated marginal utility and total utility. This is the difference between both. Any one will be there in the question. With the help of that, you will solve. So, write down it, make a note, and wait for next video and subscribe it. The video will be there uploaded. Within second, you will get a message. You can able to watch it. That's why subscribe it. Okay. Thank you all.